Say hello to convenient student living at the Callaway House College Station, your perfect base for adventures, studies, and everything in between. Take your pick from elegant 1 to 4 bedroom apartments and charming studios, complete with twin-size, extra-long beds for post-lecture snoozes, right next to your ideal study nook for midnight cramming sessions, with lavish furniture, an entertainment center for blockbuster evenings, and an exquisite kitchen with sleek black appliances for your culinary adventures. Forget all about bills. Essential utilities are included in your rent. Power through intense workouts at the state-of-the-art fitness center with strength equipment and cardio machines, or dive into the expansive pool for a splash or lengthy laps. On the weekend, fire up the grills and enjoy some yummy barbecue paired with buttery popcorn at the movie theater room. With on-site laundry facilities, tackling chores is a breeze. Your timely arrival to class is inevitable when Texas A&M University is minutes away by car, with Olson Field at Bluebell Park bus stop nearby traveling around the city is a breeze. So hurry and secure your spot at the Callaway House College Station now with amberstudent.com.